Are you feeling low on energy, struggling with focus, or finding it hard to build muscle? What if I told you that a single hormone could be the key to transforming your body, mind, and overall well-being? That hormone is testosterone, and in today's video, we're diving deep into how you can naturally increase your testosterone levels to unlock your full potential. Stick around until the end for powerful tips you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is testosterone? Why it's important? Testosterone isn't just about muscle. It's a vital hormone that affects your energy levels, mood, and even your confidence. When your testosterone is low, you may feel sluggish, unmotivated, and even struggle with fat gain. But here's the good news. Your body is capable of producing more testosterone naturally, and with the right lifestyle changes, you can turn things around. Imagine waking up feeling energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. Sounds great, right? Well, let's explore how you can make that happen. Chapter 2. Nutrition for higher testosterone. What you eat has a direct impact on your hormone levels. If you're filling up on processed junk, your testosterone is probably suffering. But don't worry, we're going to fix that. Here are the top testosterone-boosting foods you should start adding to your meals right away. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These are essential for hormone production. Your body needs good fats to create testosterone. Zinc-rich foods, think oysters, eggs, and red meat. Zinc is crucial for testosterone synthesis, and most people don't get enough. Vitamin D. Did you know that vitamin D is technically a hormone? Get out in the sun or supplement if needed. Balanced macros. Eating the right balance of protein, carbs, and fats is essential for maintaining steady testosterone levels. And here's a pro tip: avoid processed sugars. They spike insulin and reduce your testosterone production over time. Chapter 3. Training for testosterone boosting. Exercise is a powerful testosterone booster, but not all workouts are created equal. If you're spending hours on the treadmill, you might be doing more harm than good. Here's what really works. Weightlifting. Focus on heavy, compound lifts like squats, bench presses, and deadlifts. These exercises stimulate testosterone production like nothing else. High-intensity interval training. Short bursts of intense effort, followed by rest, are scientifically proven to boost testosterone. Rest and recovery overtraining can actually lower your testosterone, so make sure you're giving your body time to recover. Want to supercharge your results? Combine strength training with proper nutrition and see the magic happen. Chapter 4. Lifestyle changes for maximum testosterone. Your daily habits could be silently killing your testosterone levels without you even realizing it. Let's change that. Here's how. Quality sleep. Did you know that testosterone production happens mainly during deep sleep? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which competes with testosterone. Practice meditation, deep breathing, and take time to unwind. Avoid toxins. Plastics, chemicals in processed foods, and even grooming products can contain endocrine disruptors that lower testosterone. Make these changes today, and you'll be on your way to better hormone balance. Chapter 5. Supplements that help. Supplements can enhance your efforts, but they aren't magic pills. Think of them as a supporting role in your testosterone boosting journey. Here are some of the best natural supplements to consider. Ashwagandha. This adaptogen helps lower cortisol and increase testosterone naturally. D-aspartic acid, a natural amino acid that may boost testosterone production. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil. These help reduce inflammation and support hormonal health. Remember, supplements work best when combined with proper diet and exercise. Chapter 6. What to avoid. If you want to naturally increase your testosterone, avoid these common testosterone killers. Processed foods. High in sugars and unhealthy fats, they wreak havoc on your hormones. Alcohol, especially beer, which contains phytoestrogens that lower testosterone. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting all day is one of the biggest contributors to hormonal decline. Cut these out, and you'll see a big difference in your energy and focus. By making these changes, you can naturally boost your testosterone and unlock a healthier, stronger version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on self-improvement. And if you're serious about improving not just your testosterone, but also your facial appearance, watch this next video right here.